You are now able to pre-create breakout rooms when issuing a meeting in Teams. Select Add New Meeting and invite your attendees. This can be individuals, a group, or a simple notification to a team. Once you've added any attendees you want to have in your meeting, select the time as normal. Then send. Once your meeting has been generated, reopen it, selecting Edit. Here you will see along the top of the screen the option for breakout rooms. Selecting this feature will open a new window. You'll be given the option to create your rooms. Identify how many breakout rooms you require. You can have a maximum of 50. Here we're going to select 2 rooms. Once your rooms have been generated, you can name them by selecting Edit and retyping the name you require. Or you can leave them simply as rooms. You can then choose to assign your participants. Select the icon from the top left-hand corner and choose between the 2 options. Automatically assign, meaning the AI built into Teams will assign any participants into even distributions amongst the rooms that you've created. Alternatively, you can manually choose. When manual is selected, you'll be given a list of all meeting attendees and you will be able to select multiple people and assign them. Choosing a room or choosing not to assign them a room. This means you can choose to assign individuals to a specific place or choose for them to remain within the main meeting. Here we're going to put 2 of my colleagues into room 1 and we're going to put 2 of my colleagues into room 2. This means when the breakout rooms start, participants are already organised and I can concentrate on the meeting or lesson. Here we can see a list, and choosing the 3 dots in the room allows me to edit the settings. This means I can not only choose specific users to go into spaces, but I can choose who will be allowed to present, choosing only me, specific users who are in the space, or everyone, and I can choose a range of other granular options. Once you're happy with your selection, select Save. Close the tab and you'll return to your main breakout room space. You're also able to allocate each breakout room a facilitator. Selecting the cog at the right hand corner will allow a pop-up window to open. Here I to assign presenters to manage rooms. This means I will have gone into the room space, identified specific users who will present, and they will then manage the room. I can also set a time for my room to be open for. This allows the users to have a countdown within the space and will automatically return them to the room that we started from. I can also choose to turn this feature off. Finally, I can choose to allow people to return to the main room when they feel they've finished their task. When your settings are done, select X and return. You can recreate your rooms at any time. You can add a new room, or you can remove all rooms. Using the Recreate option, you can remove any rooms and reset your settings. This may mean that you want more of an ad hoc approach for a later part of your meeting. The breakout rooms will still be accessible for editing within your meeting